Satish sir.
Tell me, ma'am.
Sir, shall we start, sir?
Okay, ma'am, we will start.
Sir, sir, is my voice audible?
Yes, ma'am, it is audible.
Oh, okay, sir. Okay, sir. So, good morning to all of our participants. On behalf of Chemistry Department, Kongu Engineering College, I welcome you all for this 3-day FDP on digital tools for e-teaching. Hemakumar sir. Hemakumar sir.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Shall we start, sir?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, sir. So now the session starts formally. On behalf of organizing committee, let me give a small introduction about this 3 days FDP. The one who dares to teach must never cease to learn. Keeping these thoughts in mind and to meet the ever-changing technology needs, the Department of Chemistry of Kongu Engineering College conducts a 3-day FDP on digital tools for e-teaching for the benefits of faculty members. The main objective of the FDP is to provide an opportunity to the teaching community to handle online classes with the help of technology so that they can engage students in a productive manner during this pandemic situation. It's my great honor and pleasure to introduce our resource person, Dr. B. Hemakumar, Assistant Professor, Department of E&I, Pondicherry Engineering College, Pondicherry. He has obtained his PhD in Medical Image Processing from Pondicherry University, MTech in Biomedical Signal Processing and Instrumentation from Sastra University, BTech in E&I from Pondicherry Engineering College. He has teaching experience of more than 15 years. His current research interest mainly focus on education technology and teaching methodology. It is so impossible to mention his every single accomplishment because they are a lot. His achievements have been recognized by many different awards, including Best E-Lecture Award, Microsoft Innovative Educator Award in the year 2020. It is such an honor for us to have you today between us. Thank you so much, sir, for coming and bestowing us with your own presence. Now I hand over the session to Dr. B. Hemakumar. Sir, please welcome, sir.
Yes,
Hemakumar, sir.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you for this opportunity. So I take this opportunity to thank Kongu Engineering College and Nirmala Devi, ma'am. Okay. Okay, very good morning to all the participants of this workshop. Okay. Before we actually start, I want to present before you. We have a unique option. This is available for all because this pandemic is difficult for every one of us, particularly the teaching community. Whenever we want to handle classes, okay. So actually, Microsoft offers good number of tools. Good number of tools are offered by Microsoft. So anyone can take up this Microsoft training. So what you need to do is you need to just go into Google and search Microsoft Education. As soon as you go into Microsoft Education, you'll be leading into this Microsoft Educator Center. You can see it here. Okay, this is a Microsoft Education Center. So this is the link we need to focus on. So once we move from this, okay, so here. Okay, so this is the Microsoft. I have logged in. You need to create a Microsoft account. To create a Microsoft account, you can use your conventional email ID, your Gmail ID, or any other email ID. You can create a simple account in Microsoft. Okay, so once you have created an account in Microsoft, okay. Just a minute. Okay, so once you have created this account in Microsoft, you can log in into your Microsoft Educator Center. Okay, so this actually offers a good number of activities. I'll just show you. There are several courses. Everything is online. Everything is free. they give you training in different types of things. This is a training ways, and these are the different lesson plans. Okay, and these are the programs. Okay, so I'll just go into this one, the thing that I have completed. This is Microsoft Innovator Educator Programs. So once you go into this Microsoft Innovative Educator, so this is a type of training that you get. Okay, so first you need to join the Microsoft Education Center. Okay, and some basic initial 2 hours of training. So that will fetch you the Innovative Educator membership batch. That will actually fetch you the Microsoft Innovative Educator batch. Okay, then you can go for Educative Trainer. For this you need to complete good number of courses, and most importantly, you can see here you have to complete a training for 100 educators. All those details you have to include so that you will be given the batch of Microsoft Innovative Educative Trainer. Okay, and the last one is the Microsoft Innovative Educator Expert. For that you need to complete all these things, and you can give submit a self nomination. Based on that, you'll get an MIE expert. Okay, so all these tools are completely free. I'll just show my profile, what are the courses I have completed so far. So these are the courses I have completed via Microsoft Microsoft Education. These are some of the courses I have completed via Microsoft Education. Okay, for all the courses that we complete. So for example, this is MI Trainer Academy. So totally, if you see this, it shows the view certificate. So the certificate will be loading. Actually, here it is getting downloaded. Okay, so that's it. For each course you complete, it will give a certificate. Okay, so automatically certificate will also be generated. So this is a very interesting thing. We can use it for our enriching our knowledge. See, most of the courses are 1 hour, 2 hour. I'll just show you. Okay, so here under my profile, you're able to see, right? Everyone is able to see. Desktop is visible, right?
Visible.
Yeah, thank you. So here you can see learning path. These are the learning paths, the different learning paths. Okay, so these are the learning paths. You can just continue. Okay, it will be very interesting. This just a starting note for you people to use. Fine. Okay. Now I'll just going to concentrate on OBS. I'm going to concentrate on OBS. Okay, because that is one essential tool that we need to understand. Okay, so to get your OBS, just type OBS in my Google. So you'll get the Open Broadcast Software. Okay, Open Broadcast Software. So whatever I am dealing now, the part how to interact with OBS, how to go YouTube live, you can download that manual even. I'm just sharing you that manual also. I have just kept it in my website. You can just get it from my website. A small manual how to work with OBS alone. Okay. So that is available. This is my website, amakumar.in. Okay. So under courses, I have teaching learning tools. Under courses, I have teaching learning tools. Okay, here I have this option. You can download this PDF. Okay, conducting online classes using OBS and YouTube Live. For people who find it difficult to follow, you can use that particular thing. It will be having a step-by-step of all the tips. Okay, and other screen recording softwares. A variety of things are also available here. You can just download this particular thing. Okay, now for this class session, it will be useful for you. Conducting online classes using OBS and YouTube Live. Right? So I'm going to use OBS first. Then I'll explain you how to go into YouTube Live. Using OBS, you can do a variety of options. Not only conducting your class online, but also you can record a video offline. Okay, you can conduct a webinar. It has multiple uses. But OBS is actually a very big tool for game players. Okay, for whoever is playing games, no, you can even live stream a game. Okay, many people use OBS for that purpose only. Okay, now we'll see how to use the OBS. First, I'll just start with OBS. Then I will just touch upon how to go upon YouTube Live. We'll see this two first. Then I will tell you most of us are using Google Meet, right? So what are the interesting things in Google Meet? How we can pop up or different add-ons that are available for Google Meet, and some of the things with Zoom that alone we will touch as of today. Okay. And on the right hand corner, you can see something bar. Okay. This is a writing bar. It's called as a software called Light Pen. Okay. I'm using a writing tablet. I'm using a writing tablet with a pen. So this will be very useful whenever we are whenever we are trying to explain problematic papers. Okay. In our subject engineering or wherever you have mathematics, you need to solve something. Instead of using a PPT, we can just draw it, write it, and show. Okay. For that, this particular tools will be useful. Now I'll just open OBS. Okay. I'm just opening up OBS. I've already installed OBS. Okay. I'll just remove all the options so that I'll just start from fresh. Because OBS is one tool that is sufficient for our online classes. Okay, fine. I'll first tell you what is the particular thing of your OBS. This is your front panel of your OBS. Okay, here you have something called as scenes. You have something called as scenes. Okay, you can create multiple scenes here. By default, it is main plane. By default, it is main plane. Whenever you face any difficulty, you can interrupt me at any point of time. Okay. So this is the sources. You can see this is the sources, and this is the audio mixer. This is the audio mixer, and these are the different controls. These are the different controls. Okay. Now, actually, what I'm going to show first, we need to see the desktop. Okay. For that, I'm just going to use plus. So to capture the desktop, I use display capture. Display capture. See, display capture. This is actually going to take our desktop out. So I'll just give OK. So as soon as I press OK, it is showing like this. Okay, don't think it is an error message in our Windows or something. Okay, it is just displaying the desktop. Inside it is again. So whatever is in the desktop, it is just in capture. As of now, I am having the OBS in my desktop. So it shows the OBS. That's why it's showing screen, inside. Okay. So I'm just showing OBS. I'll just press OK. Now I just pressed OK. Okay. So this is the display capture area. You can resize it. You can resize it to the level you want. Okay. You can resize it to the level you want. Fine. So I'm having this particular thing. Then the second one is our face. We want our face. So before we actually go into that, I'll first switch off my face from Google Meet. Okay. From Google Meet, I'll switch off my camera so that I'll use the camera here. I'll open up OBS. So from here to have your camera, you can see this video capture device. You can click on video capture device. It is saying to create a new. I just give OK. As soon as I give OK, so I think still here the settings is off because this browser is using my face. So the face is not visible actually. The browser is using my face, so the face is not visible. Okay. So actually, it will show your face here. Okay. So if you give OK, actually your face will come. Fine. Here, video capture device is not working because it is used by the browser. It is used by the browser. So as of now, I will just remove that particular thing alone. Only the display capture is here. Only the display capture is here. Now I'm going to show you some interesting things. Suppose you are doing a simple recording for your class alone. Okay. What we can do is that you can have your face also by using this video capture. By using this video capture, I can use a face. Okay. Just a minute. I'll just give OK. Actually, that's my video capture device because okay. Okay, I'll just remove it. So for your case, it will be available here since Chrome is using my video. It's not available. Okay. So normally you will get your face also here. Fine. Now what we do is that suppose you want to do only a simple recording. Okay. You want to record the video before and you're going to show it. You can share it in your Google Drive and then you can show it to your students. Okay. For that case, you can just simply see here, click on start recording. You can just click on start recording, minimize it, and you work in your desktop. You open a PPT, you're explaining it. Okay. Once everything is over, again open your OBS, just press stop recording. That's it. Now whatever you have explained in your desktop will be captured. We'll see. It will be by default saved in. By default, it will be saved in videos folder. In the videos folder, it is saved. You can see it here. I'm just opening this video. Okay. So that's it. Okay, that's how you can simply record your lecture. Your lecture can be recorded offline and it can be used. This video you can upload it in YouTube. You can upload this video in YouTube. Okay, so to upload your video in YouTube, I just open YouTube. Okay, that's my YouTube and just see here to upload your video. You have an option here, create. You can see this button, create. On the top right corner, you have an option for create. Click on it. You will have two options here, upload video, go live. Okay. So first I'll say upload video. As soon as I click on upload video, it will actually take you to the YouTube studio. It will wait for the video file to be uploaded. Okay, I have to select the file which I want to upload. It is there in the videos. So I have to select that file. That file is selected. I'll just give open. So that file will be uploaded actually. You need to give a name for the file, demo recording, some name, meaningful name that you want to give. Okay, a description for that one. You can even upload a thumbnail. Okay, you can place custom thumbnails for your videos. The image should be in a JPEG format. You can create a simple image and you can upload that into your thing. So we'll see how to create a thumbnail. So for that, I'm just opening up PowerPoint. I'm just opening up PowerPoint. Okay, I'm just creating a PowerPoint. I'm just creating a blank slide. So here I'm going to just insert an image. I'm going to insert an image. Okay, take any image that you want. You can insert an image. That's an image. Okay, so you insert some title for that video. Okay, say demo. Okay, I'm just giving it as a demo. I'll just modify it. Okay, so this is my video title, demo. I'll use some other font which is visible. Okay, now this one is quite visible. Okay, so now you can also add suppose your name or website you want to add. Okay, so suppose you are Dr. Kumar, some names you want to give. You can add some picture. Okay, you can add a picture that is related to the video. Okay, everything you add. See what I'm doing. This particular text, and this particular background. I'm holding all the three, right click. I'm holding all the three, right click. You have an option to group. I'm holding all the three, right click. You have an option to group. So all these three are grouped into a single entity. The background, the title, and this name. All these are grouped into a single entity. I just right click here. Now, after that, I right click here. See, you have an option, save as a picture. You have an option, save as a picture. Okay, you can just right click on that. So I'm choosing desktop. I'll choose JPEG format. I'll choose JPEG format. So this is my demo cover. I'll just put demo cover like that. Okay, save. Now this image is saved. Okay, I'll just minimize it. What I need to do is that I have to upload the thumbnail. Click on here. On the desktop, I have this demo cover. Click on it. So that particular will be the thumbnail image. Okay. See, whenever we put some videos on our YouTube, the video will be more available based on your thumbnail and the tags that we use. The thumbnail is very important for the video. So we can upload custom thumbnails, modified custom thumbnails for our purpose. Okay. And second thing, whether you want to add it to some playlist or not, you can just use. Okay. Then this you have to mention, no, it is not made for kids. Okay. I'm just giving next. These elements are not required. So here, see the option. You have three options to publish your video. One is a private option. Second one is an unlisted option. Third one is a public option. If you put public, it is available to the entire globe. Anyone who searches using Google will be able to land in your page. That is called as public. If you put private, no one can see your video except you. Only you can watch. That is private. Rather, if you use unlisted, the video will be created and you will be having a link. Suppose you are doing a webinar only for registered participants. Say you are giving a very valuable content. You have a registered list of candidates for your webinar. Say they have paid some amount. They should alone see that content. Then you have to give it as unlisted. If you put it in unlisted, if the people normally search, they will not be able to get it. Only if you give the link, they will be able to see. That is called as unlisted. Okay. So I'll just put as of now public. Okay. I'll just publish. Okay. So now this video link is there. Anyone can see this video. This is a recorded video. See, now we are just telling about recorded video. So far, I'm not telling about live video. This is a recorded video. So this recorded video is available here. Okay. I have uploaded that into my YouTube. I have placed a custom thumbnail also, and the video is for public use. Okay. You want to share it, you can just give get shareable link. Where did I click? These three dots are there. No, this is your YouTube studio. Actually, this is your YouTube studio. If you click on these three dots, you'll have an option for get shareable link. Okay, this link will be automatically copied to clipboard. This is the link you need to share with your students. I can just give paste and see. This particular video will be available in YouTube. Okay, fine. Now, actually, there are some interesting, cool features available within YouTube. We need to use it, okay? Because all these will be used whenever we go for live also. What I do is that I'll just click on this video. You can edit this video. You can edit this video. I'll just go into, see this details. I'll just click on details. Okay. Now you see the title is there, description is there, thumbnail is there. Okay. This is the part you need to add tags. Okay. To make our video visible, if you want your video to have multiple views, okay, multiple likes, something like that, then the main important part we need to concentrate. One is the thumbnail. Second one is the tags. You have to give the correct tags. Tag or like something like, suppose you are explaining about OBS. So how will we normally search in Google or YouTube how to use OBS? How to use OBS? That's a tag. So what are the keywords that people will be using normally to search for a thing? Okay, all those things you can type it. So maximum up to 500 words you can use it as a keywords. Okay, this will actually increase the visibility of your video. This will actually increase the visibility of your video, so more people will be able to see your videos. That's the purpose of using tags. One is using thumbnail, second one is using tags. Okay. Now I'm just going into the editor. See details. The third one is editor. It's a very cool thing here. I just discard the changes. I'm just going into the editor. Okay. Okay. See, this is the editor part of the video. This is available in YouTube editor. Okay. Now what I'm going to do is, let's see here. So what you can do with editor is you can remove a certain part of the video. Suppose you have recorded a video and you found that a small segment of the video is not wanted, or initially the starting part and the stopping part you don't require, then you need to use the option trim. See this option trim. You can click on it. You can option click on it, and this is a starting part. Okay, I can just move it wherever I want to trim. Okay, this is the thing. I need to move it. Okay, I just need to see this part. I just move it, which means that this becomes dark light, gray color lights. When it becomes gray color, this particular segment is not included in your video. This particular segment is not included in your video. Okay, I'll just zoom it. Okay, so number zoom panni correct endha edathila vaikkanonu paakalam. You can just zoom it. You can just zoom it and you can see, for example, when I started recording, you see the audio is starting from this part only. Before that you don't have the audio, so you can click this and drag up to this part. Okay, so up to this you have the audio. Idu varaikum audio illa, so you can click and drag. So this part you can drag it wherever you want, exactly to the point, slide where you want to occur. Okay, similarly the other end also not showing in my. Okay, so other end is not showing for me here as of now. So you can, because I'm in full screen mode, it is disturbing a bit. Okay, so normally you'll be able to see that, or I'll just zoom out. You can see here. I can just similarly reduce wherever I want. This is for edge trimming. I want to trim on the edges. the left edge and the right edge. I want to reduce. I can use this particular thing. Suppose I want to trim a particular part in between. Say I want to reduce a portion. Suppose this particular portion I want to reduce. See this option, split. See this option, split. Place your cursor on the place where you want to do it. Click on here. Okay, I don't want this particular part. I just click on split. As soon as I click on split, you can see a blue line that is appearing. Now you can drag to the portion that you don't want. You can drag to the portion you don't want. Now, what will actually the thing it will do is your YouTube will remove these portions. These dark regions it will remove, and the video will continue to play. Suppose the video up to this point it will play, and immediately it will jump to this point and it will play. Okay, that is the option. Okay, so what you need to do for the edges, you have to use this particular thing. At the edge, you want to trim at the edges, you can use this particular thing. You can just move your cursor at the edges. Suppose I want to split in between, I have to click on the region where I want to split, click again on split, it will change into blue color, the region I want to cut. Okay, now even if I cut like this, it will be recorded as a single video only. It will remove all these portions. Okay, say you have accidentally used this cut, then you can use this into, that will remove the split. Okay, this is the way you can remove unwanted portions from your video. Okay, now for these unwanted changes to take effect, you have to click on preview. You can just simply put clear all, that will clear everything. You have to go to preview. As soon as I click preview, you can see. You can play it and see. You can see it. After this part, it jumped to this immediately. This portion is omitted. This portion is omitted. Okay. For the changes to take place, what you have to do is you have to click on save button. You have to click on save button. As soon as I click on save, see, but for the changes to take place, it takes at least some half an hour to 1 hour. Okay, you can just give save. It will take some time to make the changes. Okay, so once the changes are made, the video timing will automatically be changed. Okay, this is the case when you want to record a video and then show that video. This you can put it in your YouTube, you can put it in your Google Drive, and you can share with your students. This is the first option. Okay, now we'll go to the second option of creating a live video. Okay, so for that, I'll just go into my YouTube again. I'll just click on create. I'll press on go live. See this option here, go live. I'm just using this option, go live. As soon as I click on go live, it will actually take you to your YouTube studio. It will actually take you to the YouTube studio, the stream option. This is stream option. This is webcam option. This is manage option. So stream option in the webcam option webcam option you can schedule a stream. Suppose you are creating a webinar in the future, then you can go for this option. If you are doing immediately live, then this is your thing. Okay, so live stream, I have just started it. So it requires, see, this is the option for live streaming. I'm just showing you the option for live streaming. Why we need to do live streaming? First thing, your Google Meet offers maximum of 100 participants only. Your Google Meet offers maximum of 100 participants. If you want to increase, then you need to pay. Instead of that, what we can do is that we can live stream our Google Meet or anything on our desktop into YouTube. Thereby, the entire content will be available in YouTube. So in YouTube, you don't have any restriction on the number of people. Okay. So once it is live, whatever you explain in the desktop, it will be coming in your YouTube live. If you share the link to the students or the participant will be viewing the link. Okay, so whatever they have doubts, they will give it in the chat window. From that you can interact. That's the only thing. Okay, if it is a normal Google Meet, the interaction will be, you can have a one-to-one interaction. Anyone can unmute and ask, sir, I'm not able to follow. In YouTube, you have to type in the chat window. From there only we can do the clarification. Okay, now I have initiated my YouTube live. See, this YouTube live option will be enabled for an account. See, suppose this is the first time you are enabling YouTube live. Once you sign in, it will take at least 24 hours for activation. Okay, immediately it will not go live. At least 24 hours it will take for activation purpose. Okay, now this is already I have enabled it, so it is started. Okay, I can edit it, edit the time name. Okay, I just give a demo session, and again see the visibility, whether you want to make it public or you want to make it private or unlisted. Unlisted, only the people with the link can see it. Public, anyone can see it. As it is just as of now public. If you want, you can upload a thumbnail. Okay, save. Now as of thing, we will see how to proceed. Okay, now the important part. See here you have the stream settings. Here you have stream settings. On that you see stream key. You have an option called stream key. You can see what is the stream key. Okay, this stream key you require. I just click on copy. This will copy the stream key. This will copy the stream key. I've just copied it. Okay, now I'll open up OBS. Now I'll open up OBS. You'll go into, here you have the settings. Okay, see here you have the settings. Controls layer, the last but one option, you have settings. Click on settings. Click on settings. Okay, here you have different tabs: general, stream, output, audio, video, hotkeys, advanced. Click on stream. Click on stream. By default the service will be different. So service you select panno. Click on service. From that you choose YouTube or YouTube gaming. You have to choose YouTube or YouTube gaming. Server it will automatically take. Just delete this stream key. Initial stream key delete pannidren. Whatever I have copied, I am just pasting it. Whatever I have copied, I am just pasting it. If you want to verify, you can just show some 0 or JK. 0 or JK it is starting. Here also I can just see 0 or JK. See the first letters I'm just showing you. 0 or JK. It is visible, right? So that is the stream key we have copied. So stream key is visible here. I just give hide. I give apply. And I give OK. Now we have given the settings. Important part is start streaming. You have options here. Start streaming. I click on this start streaming. As soon as I click on it, you see live 0. The time is going. It is live. Okay. You can also use the recording also. You can also start the recording also simultaneously. Now I'll just go into my YouTube. Okay, now see, excellent connection. It is communicating with my desktop. Actually. You can see whatever is in the desktop. In the desktop I have the YouTube studio. That's why this is showing YouTube studio. Okay, I can just, okay, so this is the thing. Now the important part, now the video is live actually. The video is live. I want to share, I can just click on this share. Okay, this is my link. I just copy it. Okay. I just share with you your chat window. You can just open and see whether it is available. I just click on paste. You can just click that link and see whether you are able to see the video. I am actually showing the desktop. Video யாருக்காவது வரலாம் எனக்கு சொல்லுங்க. I am actually showing the desktop now. Whether the desktop is visible. If you are able to get the desktop, you can just type yes in the chat window. நான் கொடுத்திருக்க லிங்க் உங்களுக்கு தெரியுதுன்னா உங்க chat windowல yes ன்னு டைப் பண்ணுங்க. Okay, you'll be able to see the desktop. Whatever is in the desktop, you can be able to see. Okay, so that's how you have to create your online live streaming. As simple as it is. Okay, do you have any doubt as of now with the live streaming? You have any doubt with live streaming alone? Maybe I will, if you want, I will just repeat the steps. If you want, I will just repeat the steps. Whether this yes is for that yes or this yes. உங்களுக்கு live streaming பத்தி திருப்பி சொல்லணும்னா you can just ask me. Is it sufficient? Okay. Are you able to understand? Yes, sir. You need to. You are asking me to explain again, ma'am. Revati, ma'am.
Yes, sir.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you. Okay. I'll just switch off the end streaming. I'll switch off the end streaming. Okay. Because I can edit it in thing. So live streaming பண்றதுக்கு what you require is first thing you need to just take your YouTube, go to your YouTube. Okay, you need to go into YouTube. Okay, so YouTube la poitu go live option you have to use. Let's close this one. Okay, this is my YouTube home page. Here you have the create button. Click on this. You have two options, upload and go live. Upload is for already recorded video. Go live is for you need to go live immediately. That's it. So click on go live. As soon as I click on go live, actually it is still streaming. I have to stop streaming first. Okay. So this is my desktop. I can put my video and other things. Okay. Now this is my OBS. I'm going to use OBS for my live. I'm using OBS for my live. So as soon as I go into the stream option, okay, as soon as I go into the stream option, what I need to do is that I need to have the stream key. The stream key is important. Okay, I'll just reset for your purpose. We'll give a new key. Okay, a new key is being created. It is A3SW. Some key is created. Just copy this key. The stream key is required. Copy this key. Okay. Now go into OBS. Click on settings. Click on settings. Under the stream tab, you need to select the service as YouTube. By default, it will be like custom. You select YouTube or YouTube gaming. Server, it will automatically select. The stream key, you delete it. Use our stream key. Okay, you can see A3SW. starting just for checking. It will normally give the correct one. Just for checking, I just show. Press apply, press OK. Now we have initiated, we have given the settings, but only if you press start streaming, it will stream the desktop. Okay. So I'm going to add some more things here. Just see, say I want to add a logo here. Suppose you are doing a webinar, you want to add a logo. Okay, I'll just show you. You have an option called image. You can see here, image. I just click on image, create new, okay. I have to browse for an image. So I'll just take an image. Okay. I'm actually having two images here. Okay. I'll load the first image. This is a qbg.png image. I'm just loading this image, open. This is the image actually. Okay. I'm just uploading this image. Now this image is on the top. You can see this image. Fine. I'm just moving it to the bottom of the screen. Okay. This is the image I have. Next, I will upload one more image. I'll just go to OK. Browse. I'm taking one more image. See this particular image, it is having the same thing, almost same thing. It has my logo or something. I can put my face here, the logo here. See this part of the image, I have made it transparent. This particular part of the image, I have made it as transparent. Okay. So I'll just click on that. In PowerPoint, I'll show you how to make a transparent image and all. Now, as of now, this is an image. In this part is transparent. This part is transparent. I'm just giving OK. You see, it is very big. I have to reduce the size of it. I'm just reducing the size of it. Okay. Now I'll just click up to the required of the screen level. Just keep it here. The screen level that is required, I'm just keeping it over it, and I'm adjusting so that it does not show outer. See what I'm doing? I've just kept this over the original image. Initially I had an image, over that I have kept this image. I'll show you what is the purpose of doing this. The background original image is opaque image. The second image is having almost same, but this region is transparent. This region is transparent. Now I am going to use a text. You can see here, I'm adding a text. Text. Okay. There's the text editor and just put visit my website. For all ways by which you can enhance your video quality, video thing. It will be almost like I'm just giving two spaces. Okay, this is my text now. I'm just reducing the size. Just reducing the size of the text. Okay, this is my text. See, I have just kept the text. Okay. Now I'm going to do something. See here the order. First you have the text, then you have image 2, then you have image, then display capture. I'm just dragging this text after image 2. See what happened now? Or you can even give right click and move down. You can just tell. Okay. So here you can click, you have this thing, down arrow, no? You can just make it. See, I'll again show you. If I press this, it will go up. Now my text is on the top. On the top you have the text, then you have image 2, that is the image with the transparent background. Then you have the original image, then you have your display cap. This is the order. I want the text to move inside. Okay, so I'll just expand this. Suppose I want still large text. Okay, I'll just keep it like this. Okay, now it is actually entering with my logo. What I do is that, see, I just click on it and press down. As soon as I press down, what happened? It is, so the first, it will have the image which is transparent. Second, it has the text. Third, it has the image. This is the way I have arranged. But now the website is not clear, no? What I'll do is that right click on this one, go to prop filters. See, right click on this text. You have something called as filters. Click on this thing. Okay. You'll have filter. I'm just adding plus sign here. I have a plus sign here. I have an option to scroll. See this option, scroll. I'm just clicking on scroll. Give a OK. Now this is the text. I can just vary this so it actually happens to move from its place. Okay. If you keep it very fast, you will not be able to see. So you can keep it in a moderate speed. Okay. Just keep close. Now see, this will continuously move. Visit my website. Slowly it will be coming. Okay. Now these things will be easily movable. It should not be movable. So for that purpose, see on the right edge of this one, you have lock buttons. On the right edge, you have lock buttons. You can see lock buttons are there. Just click on that lock buttons so that it will be fixed in the position. Now it will not change. You cannot move it. If you don't have that lock, you can actually move it. Okay. So since you have a lock, this will be fixed. Okay. So this is when you create a webinar, this will be very useful for you. This type of customizations. This type of customization will be very useful. So suppose you want to give updates, your live updates or something. So all those things you can run it live here. Okay. Now I've just customized it. I have customized my display. So I'll give start streaming. Still we have not started streaming. I just give start streaming. Okay. Now I have started the streaming option. I minimize. I'll just go to YouTube. Okay. So it has started. It is showing excellent connection. See, whatever is there in the desktop is now live. Whatever is there on the desktop is now live. Okay. So here I can just click on share and I can share this link to all the students or the participants. Okay. Okay. So this is a live link of the current recording. You'll be able to see it. Okay. So this is with customization. This with small customization I have did. I made my website to be as a scrolling down like a news. Okay. So this will be useful particularly when you are creating customized webinars. For that purpose, this logo, suppose you are hosting a particular workshop. So you can have your logo on the left corner. Okay. For that purpose, you can have this particular thing. Okay. So that's how you do the streaming. So by this way, I'm just ending it. So now the demo session is recorded. We can edit in studio. As of now, I'm dismissing. If you want, you can edit that in your YouTube studio. In your YouTube studio, that video will be automatically recorded. In your YouTube studio, that video will be automatically available. I need to go to the, okay. I just go to manage. See, I just go to manage. So here you can go for scheduling streams. Suppose you want to create a webinar in the future. For that purpose, you can go for scheduling a stream. Okay. These are all live options. This is scheduling an option. I'll take you to the YouTube studio. YouTube studio. I'm just opening up the YouTube studio. So Actually, the live streaming is going on, so it's a bit slow. I just stop the streaming. Okay. Fine. So inside your YouTube studio, this is your dashboard. The dashboard will give you about the details of your video, what is the watch time, and all those things it will show you. I just go into videos. Okay, these are the videos that we have uploaded. These are the videos that we have uploaded. Also, you have an option on the top, live. Okay, this live will give you all the videos that have been from live session. These are the videos from the live session. Okay, so here again you can edit these videos, crop these videos, all the changes that we can do. Okay, and then you can publish it also. Then you can publish it. That's the thing. Okay, you can put it in a playlist and show. All these options are there. Right? This is how you live stream your. For this, you don't require Google Meet also. You don't require Google Meet also. What you require is, you require OBS, you require YouTube Live, get the stream key, copy that in your OBS settings, copy that in your OBS settings, press start streaming. Okay, you don't require any Google Meet or Zoom. Whatever is there in your desktop will be live. So you can have a live thing. Suppose you want to live stream your Google Meet. Suppose you want to live stream your Google Meet. Then you have an option for that. Okay. So I'll just remove this display capture. I'll just go for window capture. Okay. I'll just open up. The Google Meet should be open live. This is my Google Meet. Let's remove it. Okay, I'll just use window capture. Okay, this is meet.google.com. Okay, so that it is showing you the Google Meet link. Okay, just give OK. So now it will actually share whatever is there in your Google Meet. Go to display capture. Okay. It's actually I have a problem here. Okay, because actually my video is shared live. That's why it is not able to capture it here. But normally when you want to go live with Google Meet, you can use window capture and it will show what are the open windows that you can select and you can stream it. That's how you can do, because Google Meet does not have live streaming option. Google Meet does not have live streaming option. So what you can do is that you have to capture the Google Meet window via your OBS. You have to capture the Google Meet window via OBS and you can live stream. All other procedures same. Only thing, you need to use a window capture and capture your Chrome. You need to capture your Chrome. Okay, that's how you do the video recording. That's it. Okay, so that's how. Okay, so that's it. How to use your YouTube live for our live streaming of our class. Okay, now I'll actually touch upon some of the interesting things that are available with Google Meet. Okay, I'll say, switch off YouTube live streaming and all. Okay, all of us are using Google Meet. Okay, in Google Meet there are some additional things that can add value to your Google Meet. One is, I have installed something. You're able to see my desktop. Okay, I'm getting some option. I can just see who are all viewing. I just stop presenting. Okay, I'll just show you. Here you have a view out. I can actually see all the persons by using this option. So enable grid view by default. Here, since I am presenting, it is not showing. If I am not presenting, it will show all the speakers. For that, what you need to do is that you go into the Google Web Store, Google Chrome Web Store. We are going to see some 5 or 6 add-ons that will be very useful for us for recording. Go into Chrome Web Store. Okay. Here from Chrome Web Store, choose Grid View. Okay. Grid View extension. See, these are the Grid View extensions. What this particular Grid View does. Okay. In our Google Meet, by default, you can see in the 3 dots, if you click, you have change layout. See this change layout option. If you click on this change layout, you have different ways. Tiled, okay. Tiled will be able to see more people. Around 16 people you can see at the same time. Okay. So now actually we have options to increase. See, 30. So before it was not there. Now we have options to increase the tile size. So you can see multiple persons at the same time. That's the option. So this, either you can use the inbuilt option in your Google Meet, or you can use additional software called Grid View. Grid View can be used. Okay. And you have something called as Meet Attendance. Because whenever we are using Google Meet, you can have this Google Meet attendance. You can install these Google Meet attendance, which will be helpful to take attendance. Okay, I'll show you. Actually, I have installed attendance. So you can see this tick mark. Okay, I can just click on it. So it will show you who are all the participants who are all attending. Can you see? It will get me the list of the participants who are all attending. Most important feature, you can save this. If you click on save, it will be downloading it as a CSV file. If I click on save, it will click download as a CSV file. I can just open this file. This file will give me who are all the participants, at what time they arrived, any of them went out, they came back, how much time each of them were there inside. Every detail it will give you. Okay, this is particularly for your attendance. For your student attendance, we can use this particular tool. What this tick mark, no? This tick mark. See here, Google Meet attendance, tick mark. It will create a list. Whoever is there in the meet, it will create a list of those participants. See, it is creating a list of those participants who are all in the meet. Okay, and you can save this as a CSV file. This will tell you who are the students who are currently inside, whether anyone has logged in and came. For example, some students will log in and they'll go out. You will not be able to see it. Suppose you have initially taken the attendance and then you see the student has gone out. So this will tell you at what time he was in, at what time he came in, when he went out, how much duration he was inside. Every details it will be giving you. That is the beauty of this particular thing. Okay, this is Google Meet attendance. That is one particular thing. And second one is Meet attendance. This is also interesting. So this will be something like this. I just switched off this one. I don't want this one. So this will create an additional tab in your meeting details. You can see, are you able to see this? So this is the additional tab that is created. This is your normal participant. This is the chat. Okay. Here you have additional controls. This is your Google Meet attendance. Okay. This is to create a new sheet. Okay. This is new spreadsheet. This is to add a new sheet to the existing spreadsheet. This is to be on. This will capture all the participants. on off. This is the basic thing which will capture the participant, and this is for auto scroll. This is by default, it should be on. That's all. So this will actually capture all the participants. You can just click on this spreadsheet and it will actually take all the attendance. Okay, so this is another way of recording the attendance. If I click here, it will show in Excel file. It's getting loaded. It will record the student details, actually names of the students, but it will not tell you the time at which they came in. It will only take the so as of now it is not taken. Okay, so that's this is two things. One is this is for taking attendance. This is for taking attendance, Google Meet attendance. Okay. So another one is push to talk. Push to talk. This is another add-on for your web store. Push to talk. So if this add-on is enabled, you can see this monkey icon. If this monkey icon is enabled, every time if you want to mute, you need not go and click on this. You can use a simple space bar. If I click the space bar, your mic will be on, off. To make your mic on and off, simple space bar will be doing. Okay. That is achieved by using this particular Google Meet push to talk. Google Meet push to talk. Okay. Okay. The next option I want to give you is in Google Meet itself. Now actually I presented the entire screen. Okay. You have another option.
Yamakuma sir.
Satish sir.
Ma'am, sir is left from the meeting.
Okay, sir. Wait, sir. Wait, sir. I will come. So, dear participants, please wait. Sir has some problem. I think he will be joined within 5 minutes.
Suddenly. Okay. I'm visible, right? Fine.
Yes, sir. You are visible.
Thank you. Thank you very much. So actually, this is a cool feature now in Google Meet. You have a background image. Now in Google Meet, it offers background image also. This has been added just 2 days before, I think so. Today morning only I identified it. Google Meet has an option to change the background image. Okay, so that is option available in the home page of your meet.google.com itself. You will have an option to change the background of the image. Right? It has custom images also. You can change it. So fine. Just show. Okay. Fine. So I have told you about two add-ons. One is the grid view. Grid view is not required as of now because initially Google Meet had the option only to show 16 members. Now today, just now I'm exploring, it is able to increase more than up to 30 also. So you don't require grid view. And I also thought of giving you a tool which will change your background. But now Google Meet itself is offering a background change. So you don't require that also. So Meet attendance is required. Meet attendance is for taking attendance. That is one thing. Second thing, we can use for push to talk. That if it is required, you can use it push to talk. Okay. And another thing is you can also have mute. See in Chrome itself, you have an option. When I right click on any particular tab, you have an option called mute site. Okay. When you click this particular thing, that particular no audio will be coming from that particular tab. Okay. Suppose you are attending, suppose a teacher is attending a webinar at the same time he is presenting in a DC meeting also. In that time, it will create an error, no? To remove that error, what you can do is that if you use Chrome tab, you can mute that particular tab alone. That particular site alone, it is muted. So no audio will be coming. That will not cause any interference. Okay. So you have this mute site option available only in Google Chrome browser. Only in Google Chrome browser, you have this option. Okay. Next, I want to share with you another interesting tool from our Chrome store. It's called as LOOM. Okay, it's called as LOOM. LOOM is also a video recorder. LOOM is also a video recorder. But the only problem with LOOM is it can record maximum up to 5 minutes. It can record maximum up to 5 minutes, that's all. If your video is only 5 minutes, then LOOM is an excellent choice for recording the video. Okay. So I'll just switch off my video so that I can access it via LOOM. So already I have installed LOOM. See this star icon here. This is my LOOM. You have to log in into that LOOM account. So once I click on that LOOM button, just open the tab. Okay. Now see, this is my LOOM tab. This is my LOOM. Okay. So you have different modes. See, start recording 5-minute limit. If you want more than 5 limit, you have to pay, I think, some $8 per month. Okay. But interestingly, 5-minute video will do a lot more. Okay, so you can for recording 5 minutes alone, you can use this Loom. You have 3 modes actually: screen and camera. See, the screen camera is available here. Again, camera size you can increase. Camera size you can increase. Of course, we don't want this size. I'll go for a smaller size, this size alone. Okay. Whether you want to share the desktop or only the current tab, that option was also there. Then if you go for advanced options, you have flip camera. Okay, so see, suppose you choose screen only. This place will be just your photo will be there. If you don't want this photo, you can just switch it off, or from advanced options, you can disable this. This photo will not be visible. Okay, if your photo, you don't want your photo for screen only option, then you can remove it. Okay, then these are all minimum things. Okay, so what I want to record, screen and say I want to go for screen and camera. So I have my camera and the screen. I am sharing the full desktop. Okay, and just I just down scroll. Okay. Just a minute. Okay. So here you have this advanced options. So I can just give start recording. So it will again ask whether you want to go for the entire screen. Yes, it is again confirming. You want to share the entire screen, share. Now it will give a 3, 2, 1 countdown. So now your video has started. Your video started. It can record only 5 minutes. See, this down timing from 5. Okay, once you have finished your recording, see this, you can pause in between. Once you have completed, you just click on finish recording. Once you click on finish recording, it will actually take you to the Loom website. Okay, it will actually take you to the Loom website. See the name it has automatically took from the tab you have opened. From the tab you have opened, it has automatically named it. You can rename it. You can rename the session. You can rename it. Okay. And suppose you want to give the students directly from here, you can just copy the link and send your video. You can copy the link and send the video directly. Else, you can also download the video. You can download the video, and then we can normally do, no? We'll be put it in YouTube or other drives you want to share. No, in that case you can download it. Very interesting part is it has an option for trimming. The same option that we saw in YouTube. No, it has an option for trimming. See, as soon as I click on trim, it will give an option. Okay, you have to press on start trimming. So which portion you want to remove? Which portion of the video I want to remove? That you can click drag. Okay, that particular portion will be kept. Or you want to remove that particular part, you have to click on it. So I have clicked this particular part. I just click remove. Okay, that particular part is removed. Again, I want to do a trimming. So another part of the video, I just click which part I want. That particular part, remove. Okay, I have removed these 2 regions from the video. Now for the changes to take place, I have to give publish change. Okay, so that will remove that part of the video. Okay, once it removed, it will take some time. Once it removed, you can down. So now the video is reduced. Only 7 seconds. See, the video time is reduced. Now it is only 7 seconds. Now the updated version you can download, or you can share the link with the participants, whoever wish. So they can directly view it from Loom itself. Okay, see, this is additional information because I actually showed a tab. It is asking whether we want to add that link to that thing. Okay, that also will be there, and it will actually give you the views and how many people like the videos. Emojis are there. People, whenever they like the video, they can give like these things. Okay, these are the options that are available. This is Loom. Loom is used only for 5-minute recording of your video. If you want to have a 5-minute recording of your video, then you can go for Loom. Okay, I'll tell you about one more screen recording software that is available for us at free of cost. For that, I need to open PowerPoint. PowerPoint, I think after 2010 version, you have this PowerPoint recorder function. You have something called as PowerPoint recorder function. I'll open a blank presentation. By default, the recording option is not visible. By default, the recording option is not visible. Go to File, go to Options. There you have Customize Ribbon. You have different options here. I have to choose Customize Ribbon. In Customize Ribbon, choose the command from. I'll choose all the main tabs. See, by default is popular commands. I'm choosing main tabs. As soon as I press on main tab, you see the recording. So you click on recording, click on add. Once you click on add, this recording will be created as a tab. You have to press OK. I have already added the tab. See, recording tab is available here. By default, when you install your PowerPoint, the recording tab will not be visible. That you have to take it from your options. Customize ribbon. The top thing now in your PowerPoint is called as a ribbon. Click on Customize ribbon. From main tabs, choose recording, press add. That's all. So that will add the recording tab. Now this recording tab is available for you. Okay. Here you have the option of screen recording. You have an option for screen recording. Okay. What the screen recording will do is it will record the screen. Only thing with your screen recording is it will not capture your face. Your face will not be there. But it can record for infinite time. The video recording will be for infinite time. There is no limit on the recording time. There is no limit on the recording time. Okay. Absolutely no limit on the recording time. You can record even 3 hours video. Whatever is there in your desktop, it will record. Only thing, your face will not come. Your face will not be captured. Okay. That is the only problem. So click on screen recording. Okay. Which part of the video or screen I want to record? See, select area. See, the cursor has the entire screen has grayed out, and I have this plus sign. Okay. So I have to click, drag which portion of the screen I want to display. I have to select that particular portion. Okay. Now the portion is selected. So here you have the audio also. Whatever audio I am talking, it will also come. I just click on record button. As soon as I click on record, it will go for 3, 2, 1 start. The video is getting recorded now. Whatever is in this region is getting recorded. Okay. So once I have completed my recording, my recording is over. Okay. And again, if I move my cursor to the top, it will show the controls. Stop recording. See, here you have stop recording. Once I click on stop, you see that particular portion is available as a video here. This is a video actually. You can play this video. Okay, now this video is available. Now what you have to do is that to take this video out, right click on here, save media as. You have options here, save media as. Click on it. Suppose I want to put it in the desktop. So I'll put it in desktop. By default, it is giving media 1. I can give, say, like demo session. I'm just giving a name and I'm just giving save. That's it. Need not save this PowerPoint. You don't need to save this PowerPoint. It is automatically saved as a video file. See here, it is automatically recorded as a video file. Okay, that's it. That's a very cost-effective video recorder. Okay. Only thing with your screen recorder of your PowerPoint is it does not show your face. If you want with your face, you can use OBS. If you want with your face, you can use OBS. If my video is only 5 minutes, then you can use LOOM. LOOM is the best option for only 5 minutes. Okay. These are the variety of screen recording options and live presentation options that are available. Okay. So apart from this, in Google Meet, so now Google Meet is highly customized. It is having a lot of options. Okay. So lot of interesting things are there. I don't know whether these options are available for you, whether it is showing polls for you. I'm just asking the participant whether this option is showing for you people. You are able to see my desktop, no? Polls, question answer, whether it is available for you?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. No, I'm asking whether you, from your Google Meet, whether these things are available.
Yes, sir, it is available.
Okay. So these are all the new features that are added. Okay. So breakout rooms are a very interesting one. You can create breakout rooms. Suppose you have a big list of students. You want to create small rooms for each one. Suppose small groups. So students can go into small teams and they will, you can be in all the teams and see how they work. Okay. This is for breakout rooms and polls. Okay. These are all newly added features for our Google Meet. Okay. So that's it about video recording, live casting. Okay. So there are a lot of other tools are also available. But if you have, suppose you want to do only the webinar, then you can go for OBS with YouTube Live. Suppose you want video recording of your class before, then you can record it using OBS and put it in YouTube. Or you can use a LOOM for 5-minute recording. These are the tools we can use. Okay. So if you have any doubts, you can ask. So these are the regions for today's session.
Okay, so thank you, sir.
Thank you.
So, dear participants, your queries will be answered now. If you have any queries or clarifications, you can unmute yourselves and please ask. And dear participants, the link for feedback form is we will be posting in the chat box. So I request all of our participants to fill the feedback form at earliest.
Hello.
Hello, ma'am.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, ma'am.
சார் இப்போ நம்ம ஓபிஎஸ் ரெக்கார்டிங் சொல்றோம்ல சார், அது வந்து ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ்மே வந்து நமக்கு அந்த அந்த ஆப் அந்த சாஃப்ட்வேர் வந்து இன்ஸ்டால் பண்ணிருக்கணுமா?
அவசியம் இல்லை மேடம். நீங்க மட்டும் தான் OBS இன்ஸ்டால் பண்ணிக்கணும். You alone have to have the OBS and YouTube Live. Students are going to see via the YouTube Live only. They don't require the OBS. Only the teachers should have. That's all.
Oh, okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Really useful and nice session, sir. Really
yes,
thank you.
Thank you.
Hello, sir. This is Gayatri.
Yes, ma'am.
Sir, your session is very nice. Wonderful presentation.
Thank you, ma'am.
Sir, I ask a general question. So, what about data consumption in OBS? Data consumption in OBS software.
Data consumption, normal software, it will take some memory, of course. But
okay, sir.
it will have some basic consumption, but You are asking in student perspective or as a staff perspective?
As a staff
Staff
perspective.
perspective, it will take some data, of course. Memory, I have not tested it. But basically,
Okay.
my system, I'm using a normal HP laptop
Okay, sir.
with basic configuration, 4 GB RAM only. So far, it
Okay,
has
sir.
not loaded or did any problem.
Okay.
It's working good.
Sir, can we install that OPS in Windows 2007, sir?
Yeah. Windows 2000.
7.
You mean Windows 7?
Yes, sir.
Windows
Windows
7
7.
you can install one. It is available for all versions of Windows. It is available.
Okay, sir. Okay. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. There are a lot of cool add-ons available actually. You can just explore. There is one add-on I just want to mention. Visual effects. You can see I'm presenting no on the left hand. You can see this visual effects. Okay, these effects are quite different. Suppose actually these are told by a student. I just saw yesterday night. You have an option here called freeze. You see, what this will do is that it will freeze the picture. So the person will be static. So they can go out, they do, but the picture will be continuously showing like the person is live there. Okay. So that will be helpful for the students to bunk class. No. So the teacher will think like the student is still present, but the student, if they use the freeze option, the screen will be freezed in that particular frame itself. So they can go out, they will do something, but still it will not be visible to the teacher. Okay. So that is, we should be aware of all these things. People are, so much of interesting features are coming in. Okay. So that's the thing.
So any questions? So participants, the feedback form link is posted in the chat box. So I request all of our participants to fill the feedback form.
Okay. Thank you, ma'am. We'll meet
Okay,
tomorrow.
sir. Shall we close this?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
Kumar, sir.
Yes,
Sir,
ma'am.
Hemakumar, sir.
Please,
Just
ma'am.
a minute, sir.
Yeah, please, ma'am.
So thank you, sir. So really we had a wonderful session. In addition to YouTube live streaming,
Yes, ma'am.
we learned some tips of Google Meet,
Yes, ma'am.
organizing. Thank you for the day, wonderful, sir. So now the session closes officially. First participant. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, ma'am.
Sadish
Tell
Kumar,
me,
sir.
ma'am.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. So shall we close the
Yes, ma'am.
session,
Yes,
sir?
ma'am. Thank you.
Okay, ma'am. Feedback link is posted. So participants post your feedback through this link.
Okay, sir. I will
Thank you so much, sir.
fill
Thank you,
the
sir.
feedback form.
This is Sadish Kumar, one of the convener of the FDP.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, sir. Thank you. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Nice presentation.
Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you, sir. Okay, okay.